Hey guys, it's Madison. Thanks for joining me in this faithful home. Today we are going to be building some raised garden beds from reclaimed wood and scrap metal from roofing that you see in that pile behind me. So we are out at camp. This is where our RV is at. This is where we're gonna do ministry with our best friends. We're gonna have a garden and we're gonna build it with as little new material as possible. I think it is so cool to be able to reuse material for a new purpose, and it saves money. It is better for the environment to reuse what you have, and so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm super excited to take you along with me. If you aren't already subscribed to this channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. Without further ado, let's jump on into this video. Alright, so now that we have all of our lumber and our metal pieces laid out behind me, this is where we are actually going to have the raised beds. So I'm going to build them out here, that way we don't have to move them. What I need to do is build the basic framework for each of the sides of these raised beds. Now, for me specifically, it's going to be approximately 11 feet long. For one of the beds, I am going to make them all 30 inches high, and I'm doing this for a specific reason so we don't have to bend it down and tend to our beds. It'll be more at a standing level and it'll be better on our backs and just an easier accessibility for us. Guys, I'm a sweaty mess right now. This is a lot of work. So let me kind of show you what we have to work with here. So basically this is going to be the size of the bed, and then each of these things over here are going to be like the side braces that are going to hold up all of our roofing metal. So what we need to do, let me turn you around. So what we need to do here is set these boards up straight and attach these bracer boards to the top and bottom. You can picture this standing up on all four sides to making the bed. So we need to go ahead and screw all of these boards together. So let's do that now. Alright guys, so the sun's going down tonight. I am going to call it a night till tomorrow, but I wanted to show you what it looks like with all of the frames put together. So this is kind of the gist of what this is going to look like. You can see that it is approximately low hip height, which is going to be perfect for gardening without having to bend over. So tomorrow when we come back, we will take these metal sheets and cut them to size. We will drill them along each of the panels individually, stand them all up again together, and drill them to each other. And then this raised garden bed will be done. Okay guys, so, ooh, got that helmet hair, my ears are ringing because that thing is loud. So the plan is to take all these pieces that I got cut and we're gonna take them over to back to the project area and we're gonna make these raised beds, guys. We put in a lot of hard work. This is probably like 1,000 times harder than it really needs to be because you could just buy raised beds from like Lowe's or Home Depot, but the satisfaction of knowing that I built these reclaimed from scratch, utilizing what we had at this land, makes it also worth it. Okay, I know it doesn't look like much right now, but just wait till we stand these up, guys. So this is what we have. We've got all of our panels. Obviously they are green on the front, but they are white on the back. And I'm gonna stand them up so you can see what they look like because I've already peeked at one and it looks amazing. Guys, look at this. This is what one of the panels looks like. How pretty is this? Okay, let's stand them all up. Okay, so I am gonna need to decide where exactly I want this to go in my garden before I put it together because each of those pieces are really heavy and I definitely don't want to move them. But guys, look at this. That is just absolutely stunning. I think this turned out so good. I am so excited to continue building them for the garden. I absolutely love it. Alright guys, I hope you're as ready as I am for the final reveal of the first of many raised garden beds that are going to be in our garden on our homestead. Alright guys, I am so excited with how these turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I constructed this raised garden bed. And then in future videos, when I do like a full garden tour, you guys will get to see once I build the other ones. You can kind of see them laying out there already in planning mode. So super excited about this. I just love the fact that I was able to use reclaimed wood and reclaimed roofing metal to make this project. I think it's great for our environment and I think it will match really well with the camp. You can see the structure behind me has that same metal, so I like how it will match the aesthetic of this place. Super happy about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to go check out some of my other videos on the homestead. That way you can get some inspiration and motivation for starting your own mini homestead or just to watch some fun videos. If you guys are new to my channel, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. I make videos every Wednesday, so I'll see you guys next week at 3 p.m. for another video. Bye guys.